Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Snapchat cannot export memories. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to the settings on your device, scroll down, find apps, tap on Snapchat. Once you're here, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Snapchat and try again. If this does not work, then check your device storage before trying anything else. Head over to your settings again, tap on storage and make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space on your device. If that too does not work, then you may have to extract your memories via the My Data site. For that, simply open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Snapchat login, and then you go enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link. You can use the Gmail address to log into Snapchat, or you can enter your email or your username along with your password. Enter a verification code and then hit next. Once you are here, simply tap on My Data, toggle on Export Your Memories, and then tap on Request Only Memories, set a date range, hit Submit, and then your memories will be sent to your email. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.